Hi everyone, it's Donna from the Spaceman Papercrafts, and I'm back with another Halloween in August collaboration video. The collaboration was organised by the lovely Sam, who is the Scottish crafter here on YouTube, and today I thought I would make these little treat pouches using the envelope punch board. And then there are two sizes. There's obviously a smaller one and a bigger one, and you can pretty much do these at whatever size you want. You just need to adjust your measurements accordingly on your punch board. So this small one is using a 5x5 piece of paper, and this one is using a 6x6, so you can see the difference. So I've just used some pattern paper to do mine, and I've got this spider and web die from Lawn Fawn, and I've cut a few spiders out and added the web down there. And this is another Lawn Fawn stamp set. Let me see if I can grab it here. It is called Monster Mash, and that's the monster from there. And I thought the sentiment was cute, sending you monster hugs. So I thought they were really cute, so I'll show you how to make them. So we'll do the small one first. So as I said, you need a piece of paper that measures 5x5, and the first punch and score is going to be at 2 inches. Okay, so punch and score, and then line up again on that score line with the point there, and then punch and score, and again line up your score guide with the line, punch and score. And on the last one we just punch, we don't score, because that's going to make our back piece here without the score. So while I've got the punch board out, I'm going to do the other one as well. So again, like I said, this is a 6x6 piece of paper, and we're going to score this one at 2 5/8. So let's find 2 5/8, which is there. So again, you're going to punch and score. And this is really weird for me because I'm left-handed, but I use my right hand to score with the punch board because of where the score line is. So again, just follow it all the way around, punching and scoring as you go, except for again for the last one, we're not going to score, we're just going to punch. Okay, so let me just put the score tool back, get rid of these bits. Now I'm just going to round the edges. You don't have to, it just makes it look a bit neater in my opinion. And again on this one. I think I'll do a smaller one in this size, this pattern, and a big one in the paper top. Okay, so let's get our envelope punch board out of the way. Okay, so very, very simple. You just need to fold along your score lines. You don't even necessarily need to burnish either. Just fold up your score lines, and then it's just going to fold over and go like this. So you just need a bit of glue or some tape runner. In fact, I'll probably use my ATG for speed. So you just put a bit on there, fold that up, and then just a bit there, and fold that up. And I've gone the wrong way with the glue, but never mind, this rubs off, which is good. So I'll just put a little bit more tape up here, and there's one, there's a small one, and then the larger one folds exactly the same. You just fold all the score lines, no need to burnish. This is a really, really quick and simple Halloween treat to make. And from about here down, our adhesive. And that's as simple as that. That's the small and that's the large. So I've got a selection of sweets and things here that I picked up that might fit. So I know these go into the big one really well, and these and those, that's really cute. And then for the smaller one, I've got these little Mawam sticks. They go in really nice, and you've got some fruit gums in there as well. So I'm just going to move those over out of the way, and I'm just going to quickly decorate these up. I've got these little I'm going to put Trick or Treat on that one, and then Happy Halloween on this one. So I'm just going to get a little bit of glue, just use some wet glue. Oops, that's come out a little bit too fast. I'll take some of that off. And let's pop that going that way, and have our little ghost sat there. That's really cute, I love that. And then this one, we're going to stick our Trick or Treat panel down. Have it going straight across this time. If you're using wet glue to do these, you do need to just give it a little second or so to just to dry. And a little gravestone, which is really cute. There. So if I bring in the other ones that I did as well and show you those. There we go, and these are really cute, really simple to make. You can get the kids making these for their friends for Halloween. Makes nice little cheap gifts, and just pop little bits and pieces in so they can take them into school. That'd be nice. So thank you so much for watching this, guys. There's only one more week left. In the description bar below you'll find the links to all the other ladies taking part. I believe there's 18 of us, and yeah, if you pop over and see what they've created this week. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and take care, and I'll see you again with another video soon. Bye for now.